What if I told you there's a way to turn back the clock on aging? Not with expensive creams or surgeries, but with a simple, natural approach. It's called intermittent fasting, and it could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you after 50. Intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about timing. Imagine giving your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to focus on repair and renewal. This strategic approach to eating can lead to remarkable benefits, especially for those over 50. Think of it like giving your body a chance to clean house. During fasting periods, your cells engage in processes like autophagy, breaking down and recycling old components. This cellular rejuvenation can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. Ready to discover how intermittent fasting can help you reclaim your vitality? Let's dive into the science behind this powerful lifestyle change. Intermittent fasting cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at regulating blood sugar and insulin. This can lead to weight gain, increased risk of chronic disease, and accelerated aging. Intermittent fasting helps reset these mechanisms, improving insulin sensitivity and promoting healthy blood sugar levels. Moreover, fasting triggers beneficial hormonal changes. It increases growth hormone production, which declines with age and is crucial for muscle mass and bone density. It also activates sirtuins, longevity genes that play a role in cellular repair and protection against disease. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight management. Studies show it can significantly improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. This translates to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other related conditions. Intermittent fasting has also been linked to improved brain health. Studies suggest it can enhance cognitive function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and even boost mood. Fasting may stimulate the growth of new brain cells and increase the production of BDNF, a protein essential for learning and memory. Furthermore, intermittent fasting can help preserve muscle mass, a common concern as we age. By increasing growth hormone levels and promoting cellular repair, fasting helps maintain muscle strength and function, keeping you active with full range of motion. While intermittent fasting offers incredible potential, it's essential to approach it safely and avoid common mistakes. One common pitfall is jumping into overly aggressive fasting windows. Starting gradually and listening to your body is crucial for sustainable results. Another mistake is neglecting nutrient density during eating periods. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your body during fasting windows. Hydration is paramount during intermittent fasting. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee throughout the day, especially during fasting periods. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and hinder the benefits of fasting. Embarking on your intermittent fasting journey is easier than you might think. Begin by choosing a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle and gradually increase the fasting window as your body adapts. The 16-8 method is often a great starting point for beginners. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods during your eating windows. Prioritize fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These nutrient-dense foods will provide sustained energy, manage hunger, and support optimal health. Remember, consistency is key. Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Integrating it into your routine gradually will lead to sustainable, long-term results. Listen to your body. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember to listen to your body. It's your greatest guide. If you experience any severe discomfort, dizziness, or weakness, break your fast immediately and consult your healthcare provider. It's essential to consult your doctor before starting any new dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions, take medication, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. They can help determine if intermittent fasting is appropriate for you and provide personalized guidance. Adjust the fasting schedule based on your individual needs and how your body responds. Some days might feel easier than others. The key is to be flexible and find a rhythm that works best for you. The power of plants. During your eating windows, prioritize a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support your overall health and enhance the benefits of fasting. Think colorful plates filled with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Each color represents different phytonutrients that offer unique health benefits. Incorporate a variety of plant-based protein sources like lentils, beans, tofu, and tempeh to support muscle mass and satiety. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and cell function. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Remember, balance and moderation are key. Moving towards vitality. Combine intermittent fasting with regular physical activity for optimal results. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, swimming, cycling, or strength training. Strength training is particularly beneficial as we age, helping to preserve muscle mass, improve bone density, and boost metabolism. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions of strength training per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Remember, exercise doesn't have to be strenuous. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Even small amounts of movement throughout the day can make a difference. Your path to longevity. Intermittent fasting is more than just a dietary approach. It's a lifestyle shift that can unlock a healthier, more vibrant you after 50. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you're allowing it to focus on essential repair and rejuvenation processes. Remember, this is your journey to reclaim your health and vitality. Embrace the process, listen to your body, and celebrate your successes along the way. Intermittent fasting, combined with a healthy plant-based or low-carb diet and regular exercise, can be your path to longevity. Watch this next video for more tips and science-based strategies to be a happier, healthier you. And remember, eat well, live well.